Hello, my friend Tony. Thank you very much for sending this package, and I really appreciate it. But as you can see, it's already open. Maybe because of the checking in the custom. But thank you very much for this package. We'll open it now. Ayan. Bugs Bunny, wow. Thank you so much. It's nice. I think this is your size. It's very big. Oh. I will try to wear this one. Maybe this is your size. So cute. Cute design. So cute design. No? I can have a dress. Look at that. It's nice. Scarf, wow, nice scarf. And Sajin twist. Thank you very much. I think it's spicy. I like spicy. You know that I like spicy. Chocolate candies. So cute. Looks cute. Wow, it's 3, 4. Ah, 4. Oh, teacup. Thank you very much. I really like sweets. I really like sweets. M&M's. Thank you very much. Hershey's. So many Hershey's. And again. Candies again, mango. Wow, nice mango. Hot sauce. Wow, hot sauce chili. You know that I really like spicy. This is hot sauce chili habanero. Hot sauce chili habanero. Thank you. M&M again, M&M. Double 9 dominoes. What is this?
Bakit naman receipt niyan?
It's for paintings. Kisses. Kisses. Kisses again. And what is this? I think this is the I think this is the tablet. I'll open later. Ah, this is the Imperium. Imperium.
Perfume?
Imperium.
Nursery?
Wow.
Pakita mo ba? Pakita mo. Buksan mo.
Wow, it's so beautiful. So beautiful, oh. Diamond.
Akala ko ball diamond.
Diamond.
Ano pala? Wow, ganda.
Wow.
Ano man?
Beautiful. I will wear it later. I'm going to wear later. Diamond necklace. And this is the bracelet. Wow. Beautiful. Nalintag.
Tingnan.
Shining, shining.
Agong tunga.
So many
Bigat
things here. But, as you can see, why is it like this? This is the drawing. Ah, the drawing of your nails. Thank you very much for this drawing. So cute. Depende sa lagayan. Ang iba. Ano siya? Kumalat. Yung mga kisses ng bulsan. Ang dami ng kisses. So many kisses. Ayan, many kisses. Kisses.
Ano pala? Ano naman? Thank you so much. Really, I really appreciate this all. Meron ditong dalawang books. Ayan. Paint by sticker. Sticker. Paint by sticker. And let's find Pokemon. Let's find Pokemon. I'm going to open this because you told me there's a surprise in one of the book. Ano kaya nakalagay? Wala.
is it? I can't find.
Huwag mo nga gawin sa'yo. Pantay mo.
I can't find it. Where? Wala pala, ganyan mo sabi na. Ayan. Wala. Where? Ayun.
Wow.
Nakita ko din. Wow, thank you very much. This is the first time that, you know, that I have this $100 money. Thank you so much. Then I will open this one. This tablet. Ito dito. Wait lang. Okay, let's open this one. Tablet. Wow. Thank you so much. Oh, it's brand new. It's very big. Very big, oh. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for this. It's low, but I'll try to open it. Thank you. I really thank you so much for all of these gifts. I really appreciate it all. So many. It's so many gifts. Thank you, and of course, for this money. $100. It's a really big amount here in the Philippines. So that's all. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, my friend Tony from Mexico.